beautiful Friday, which means it's time for another Plus Bounce video where you and me navigate the good world of fashion for plus size, oversized, overweight women, maybe just like you, but definitely me because I absolutely cannot resist that extra piece of cake. So today this video is dedicated to crop tops. It's the flavor of the season. They're available in different colors, patterns and sizes, symmetrical, asymmetrical. They're here, to actually accentuate our midriff. Yes, it does feel like someone just took a regular t-shirt and cut it off right at the bottom to make this new thing called crop tops. But hey, they're cute and they're nice and they look excellent on us. So accentuate your midriff, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to do just that. First up, a little knowledge about crop tops. They're available in every different color, shade, pattern, size, asymmetrical, symmetrical, just so many different versions of it are available. So before you buy the essential one, which is just this, it's a plain round neck crop top which can be worn with almost anything, high-waisted jeans or high-waisted skirts or long skirts or palazzos. Just do a little research and find the right crop top. They are now available in big poncho sleeves, asymmetrical ones which are shorter in front and longer in the back so that you don't have butt cleavage. Just research which one you would like and get that one for yourself. And also, of course, own the essential 3 crop tops, which are black, white, a colored one, mostly red because it goes with everything, and a patterned one like this. Now, as I said earlier, crop tops are mainly for high-waisted stuff. So as I'm wearing today a high-waisted short skirt, you can get different versions of this. Get one of those high-waisted palazzos or high-waisted pants, and so that only your midriff will be exposed and not much. And see, this fits very well. It's a casual summer dress, or you can wear it to a brunch, or you can just have fun with it. So you've bought yourself a crop top, but when you lift your arms up like that and you want to wear it over jeans especially, which are not high-waisted in your regular jeans, but you would like to wear your crop top over that, when you put your hands up, you'll see like a little bit of stomach which you might be a little iffy about. There's a trick to hide that. This is a spaghetti top, your normal slip that you wear inside transparent clothes. Just wear that and wear your crop top on top. And there you go, problem solved. Even if you put your hands up like that, nothing can be seen. If you're still iffy and haven't given in into the crop top fad yet, before you go and buy one, try this. Take your regular t-shirt, okay, tie it up on the waist like that, okay, get it to crop top length, maybe leave a little bit of flap behind, and there you go, instant crop top. Go out, see how you feel in it. If you feel good, go ahead and buy one. Final tip. You've bought your crop top, you have your high-waisted skirt, you have your high-waisted jeans, and if you want to make it into a different look by day and night, all it needs is a jacket. Just pop one on, add a bit of layer, and instantly you have another look. And there you have it. That was my essential crop top guide for some do's and don'ts and some tips before you actually go out and buy one. That's all I have in this video. Next time, I'm going to talk about maxi dresses and ways to style that. You can get sporty, fashionable, evening, however you want it, the maxi dress will be with you. As I always say, till next time, lipstick is God and always be stylish. Bye-bye. If you like what you see, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share the love. Also, if you want to have a conversation, give me comments, feedback or suggestion, just hit me up on thebouncegirl@gmail.com. And don't forget to check out the other videos.